Hey, what's up guys, कैसे हैं आप लोग? And let's make this amazing stuffed tomato pizza. It will take only few minutes to make and this is really amazing. बहुत ही आसान सी रेसिपी है, कुछ ही मिनटों में बनेगी, तो let's dive into the recipe. First of all guys, I have taken a large tomato and I'm going to scoop it out, यानी कि इसका पल्प सारा का सारा निकाल लूँगा. You can stuff this with your own choice of vegetables, whatever you like in your pizza, and then I'm going to top it with some more pizza sauce, lots of mozzarella cheese and some pizza seasoning and chili flakes. If you like this recipe guys, please do like, share and subscribe.